The AI I build songs with is deaf. It can't listen to a single damn track I make. And most people would call that a deal breaker. I actually call it a relay race because here's the workflow that turned my blind spot into an edit assistant. So, the way it works, Claude writes with me, or sometimes chat, but Claude writes with me, it plans with me, but it can't hear a note. So if I give it like, hey, this song, it feels a little off on this portion, or hey, I want to do a song like this, or whatever it is, it can't hear it. Actually, sometimes Fable does hear it, sometimes it doesn't. It's a fickle beast. But most of the time it doesn't, and also it doesn't watch video or analyze video. So the song goes to Gemini with a prompt asking for the map. Like if we had Dora Explorer, the map, the map, the map. Yes, I have watched Dora the Explorer more times than I care to admit. So it gives back the structure with the timestamps, the quiet zones, the vocal gaps, the drop moment, the best loop, the beats per minute. It gives all of that. It hands back the map. I paste it to Claude. So now the blind can see. Now, I did it today with a real song. Actually, right above this, when the other video I just recorded, it wouldn't. I wanted to give it the song, and I'm like, hey, what part of the song would be the best to play here, etc. I can't hear the song, so that's what I did. Is it found my cold open, the edit points, and the spot where the outro and the CT does the CTA for me. So the important thing to remember, and it's kind of annoying, but people want like a single pane of glass. And you're going to lose. Like if you want a freaking Swiss Army knife, guess what? You're going to have a bunch of like mediocre tools, but you know what? It's all together. How much is that convenience worth? No tool does everything. Does everything well, I should say. Maybe it claims it does. The stack does. And it's not that big a deal to copy and paste. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm probably offended all the AI bros out there because I didn't automate it. You may be thinking like, well, why not just wait for the AI tool that does it all, like all those aggregators out there. But really, it's faster than waiting for the perfect tool or making the ones you have talk, which was faster. The other thing is like how many deal breakers out there, like it's not the one AI tool, but how many of them are like just missing a simple handshake? So sometimes, I'm about to speak AI blasphemy, just better to freaking copy and paste that shit. Take the 30 seconds. Don't spend 80 hours trying to solve a 5-minute task that you maybe will do once in a year. But you know what? I'll feel good about it. Oh, look at my workflow. Look at my software. Look how much it does. It's awesome. It's amazing. And you know what? All you have to do is go sell it. But don't worry, it's pre-revenue. I'm like, Jesus Christ, man. Yeah. All you have to do is go sell it. Then go fucking sell it. Anyway, that's the takeaway for me is stop grading tools on what they can't do alone. Every wall I've hit this year, pretty much by and large that I can remember or Claude can remember, is it got solved by a handoff, not an upgrade. And if a tool's blind spot is blocking your thing, just ask who else on the bench can do this. And if no one can, then find another tool that can do that. And there's a bunch of us duct taping the workflows like this over at Only Dan's AI. Links in the description if you want to check it out. And also the prompts, I'm going to put the prompts. You ready for this? I'm going to put the prompts up on the screen for what to say to Claude and what to say to Gemini. You ready? Prompt 1. Prompt 2. Cool editing. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but yes, either way. And you just paste that into Gemini, put it back into Claude, and Bob's your uncle. Or put it back into chat.